video here. I've got the workbench high res. Just trialing out this Raspberry Pi4 on the Amiga 500. It's in the Pistorm, and running Confident OS, and just have a look at some speeds here. For example, Mini Slug. Look at this. This is running fast. That looks really good too. Fortunately, I can't play. How about that? Another thing of interest here is running Pocket SNES. Already got it open. And this one here is quite cool. Got it running really smoothly at the moment. Against the ROMs. This one here. See, it moves quite quickly here already. Which one's Sub-Zero? Try this dude. So chose that. This is the Super Nintendo version. So I've got to show you some speeds here. You can tell. So it's pretty good. Not bad, hey? So need to escape and enter to get back to this menu here. This is how they're set up. So I've got the sound on quite low, but I've got no frame skip or anything.